Hello all, today we are going to see the unboxing and review of new Bafang UV5RM handy. Let's unbox the package. The package comes with new UV5RM handy, 2500 mAh battery, stock multiband antenna, charging dock, belt clip, sling band. Let's unwrap the products. We can keep the belt clip, sling band and charging dock inside the box. Now you can assemble the products. When we compare UV5RM with UV5R, UV5RM comes with a colorful LCD display, and you notify the different size difference between the UV5R and UV5RM. UV5RM will be bigger in size when we compare with UV5R. UV5RM is a multi-bander. You can see the frequencies of UV5RM in this video. It has a frequency range of 136 to 174 MHz for VHF and from 400 to 480 MHz for UHF. It has the output of 10 watts and it comes with 3 power modes: low, medium and high. For high it gives off 9.5 watts and for medium it gives 5.5 watts and for low it gives 2 watts output. These power outputs has been measured from Diamond SX200 power cum SWR meter. In UV5RM there is a main advantage. It comes with one key frequency match option. This is a new option in this UV5RM. There is a special key dedicated for this option. The green key is dedicated for this. While pressing this key for more than 5 seconds, the scan mode begins and it will scan for the both VHF and UHF frequencies which is present nearby. We can switch between the VHF and UHF mode by pressing over the AB band. Here I have used UV5R as a transmitter and UV5RM as a receiver. The next function in UV5RM was it's come with pre-programmed NOVA weather channels. It has 10 pre-channels of NOVA weather satellite frequencies. For enable this option, we have to press the 0 key for 5 seconds. Now in this video, you can notify that the NOVA weather satellite channels has been activated. You can use the arrow keys to switch over the satellite channels and you can start receiving. And UV5RM comes with airband reception at the frequency range of 108 to 136 MHz. If you enter the frequency between this frequency range, it will automatically switch over to the AM band. Thanks for watching this video. For more details, you can contact to the given number in this video.